Welcome back to another video. I want to share with you in this video how to make $100 a day with trading Bitcoin or altcoins. Let's go. First, what we are starting is with CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap you have definitely to check out, or Gecko. You see here all the coins you see first. They are sorted right now by market cap, and Bitcoin is obviously has the highest market cap at the moment right now of $500 billion. Then the second come Ethereum, and so on and so on. So this is one of the first things what I'm checking out, or most of the traders. Why? Because you can sort it here by 24 hours percentage, by 1 hour, or by 7 days. And if we are watching the 7 days, we can watch the winners of the week, and there are quite not much of them because we saw this week a correction. Or you can sort by 24 hours, and here you see more winners this in the last 24 hours. FXS is one of the biggest holdings in FXS, 1.56% in profits. Here you can sort by a win, by profits, or by loss in the last 24 hours. And this is amazing. Why? Because we can make here, and I will come back to it later, we can make reverse trading, because what we can watch, we can sort, for example, by the coins which lost the most percentage in the last 24 hours, and we see here PancakeSwap or Arbitrum. Even better, Arbitrum is one of blue chip projects in my opinion. It's all not financial advice in this video, but and I'm not paid, by the way, by this project, but you see here this is one of the projects which I quite expecting at least to make 10x in the bull market 2024-2025. So however, for us day traders, you see it 8% dumped, so this could be quite a big opportunity for reversal trade for long, right? But we have to go in more detail. I come later to it. Or obviously we can sort by 24 hours, and if we see here by 3.3%, we see here also a market cap of 1 million. I would watch of market cap at least 200 million, because if it's too small, it's too risky and too volatile. But you see here 3.3%, this could be potential reversal trade for short opportunity, right? So this on CoinMarketCap. Another site where you can identify which coin you want to trade is Crypto Bubbles. You have definitely to check out. It's amazing. You see also here Cake is 11% down. You can sort it here by day, by week. You see in the week what we have here. ENJ is minus 26%. If we saw monthly, we see AGX minus 27%, XRD is plus 160%, and you can sort by the year, and AGX is one of the winners, and AGX is one of our blue chip projects which we are watching also here. Not a financial advice, but this one of the leading IE projects, because this is like the hype which started this year. It was previous year DeFi, and so on and so on. You see here, if you click on the bubble, you see here the market cap, you see here the 24 hourly volume, and you see here the rank. So it's a little bit more fun to watch the crypto bubbles, but it's quite the same, right? So the first step is you want to identify which altcoin you want to trade. In my case, I would choose right now PancakeSwap. Like you saw it here, in 24 hours it dropped by 11%, and this could be a potential long opportunity. So what you want to do, you go on the coin PancakeSwap, then you go on the markets, and here you see all the exchanges where it listed, and you can trade wherever you want, on Binance, on KuCoin, on BitHump, I don't know, to be honest. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange. I can make another video where I explain the difference, but they're quite more like Huobi, Gate.io, or Bybit, right? I'm trading at the moment on Bybit, but you can use any of this exchange. They working all the same, right? And by the way, on Bybit, I have also an affiliate link where you can claim up to $30,000. Link is down below, and there are some other exchanges also listed. So right now, they're all the same. What you want to do, you go to trade. You first go to trade, and then you're choosing the coin which you want to trade. And the shortcut for PancakeSwap is here. You see it. It's called Cake, right? So we typing in here Cake. So we see the Cake token, which saw a quite massive dump, right, in the last days, right? You see here, or today even, right? Wow, this was a massive dump. So this could be a potential reversal too long. What you want to do is also to make research also on the news, because this is quite important. But even better to make a technical analysis is on TradingView. TradingView is absolutely for free. You can make a registration on TradingView. I leave you also a link down below. We see here right now on TradingView Cake. You see here same Cake. What you have to do, you go on TradingView, you make a free account, and then here on this plus you can add Cake USDT. T, for example, and then you can choose on which exchange you want to see it. For example, here on Bybit, it doesn't matter where you watch, on which exchange. You can choose on the daily, on the 4-hourly, 1-hourly, 15-minute, weekly or monthly chart, and I would go right now on the 4-hourly chart. One of the indicators which I like to use is the Bollinger Band. You see here BB. How you can add this indicator, you go on indicators, it's on German here, but it's same indicators on English, then you put in BB and then you get Bollinger Bands, right? And you can add this indicator, right? So as soon as you add this indicator, it's quite easy to trade with this indicator, but I would not use only this indicator. I would use also another indicator which called the RSI, and RSI you can also easily add here to indicators. Type in RSI and here it's called the relative strength index, and then you have also the RSI here down below. With these two indicators, it's quite easy. It's the basic setup how you want to trade. What quite often happen is as soon as we are touching here the Bollinger Band, the down line of the Bollinger Band, where you see it here, and the RSI is here below or touching our line around 20 or 30, this called oversold, right? So everything below 50 is getting in the oversold area, everything above 50 is the overbought area. So as soon as a coin is oversold, so this called this area, you see it here 50, everything is what is below 50, so in this area is called oversold, everything what is above 50 called overbought, right? And what you want to do right now is, for example, you see here the Bollinger Band is touching the down line and the RSI is oversold, so this was a nice long opportunity at least to this middle line of the Bollinger Band, so 3.3%, or even we could set a long to the top of the Bollinger Band, which would be a 5% long opportunity. And here you see also we're getting here very oversold and what overbought, you see here. And what happened after we touched the upside of the Bollinger Band, we got rejected. Also the relative strength, the RSI was heavily overbought, and we saw correction to the downside of the Bollinger Band. So what we're expecting here is right now, obviously as we even broke down the Bollinger Band, I will definitely check also the news, not that there's something really big happen, that the project going to zero. I don't expect that because it's a really huge blue chip project. However, it's never a guarantee. You have always to do your own research. But we see here also this could be quite nice long opportunity because the RSI is heavily oversold. The price dropped heavily, also touched our Bollinger Band, even broke through, and this could be a potential long opportunity to at least here our middle Bollinger Band of $3.30, so 10% long opportunity potentially, right? You can obviously watch also for some resistance. You see here the last previous low is acting as a resistance, so around here. So we could see here even a long opportunity to our to this price target of $3.40, so even $14. It would also perfectly match with the top of the Bollinger Band. You see here it perfectly matches, right? So it depends on your strategy. Do you want to trade it? Do you want to trade it to the middle of the Bollinger Band or the top of the Bollinger Band, and or do you want to trade to the previous support which got broken, which is here, for example, $3.30, right? Quite easy. However, always do your own research. Always be very careful here. So how we can do $100 a day with trading? It's obviously you can choose one of the altcoins, how I showed you on the coin market cap, sorting by the 24 hours, 1 hour or 7 days. You have to decide yourself and execute a long or short position. Short or long position you can do on Bybit, Binance, on all these exchanges. A short position you can do only on the derivatives, not on spot. Spot means you can only buy. Shorting you can do only on the derivatives. How you can join the derivatives? It's also here. This is the spot trading. The derivatives is here, the derivatives portal. Please be very careful with derivatives because you can leverage, right? I can make another video where I explain this. Here you have always to make sure it's not cross, it's isolated. Here you can choose which leverage you want to make, 10x or 100x. 100x I would never do, but 10x, it's like, for example, if you go with $100 in and 10x your money, it's $1,000. Obviously, if the trade goes more than 10% down, then you get liquidated. So be very careful with it. It's quite easy. I can make another video on this, but if If you want just to buy or sell a coin, you can here go on trade. For example, here you choose, like I explained to you, you choose the coin, you choose Cake, and then you can just set a limit order. For example, at right now $2.98, you type in how much you want to buy of Cake, let's say $1,000, and then you can just go in and exit the position. For example, if we are watching here and watching to the middle of the Bollinger Band at $3.32, then you set sell order at $3.32, and this is how you can make at least $100 a day. Depends on which volume you put inside of the market. I would really highly recommend you only to use not much money for just trying, and you can make even here on Bybit a demo account where you can just try. Link is down below, and you can claim up to $30,000 bonus, bratans. So if you appreciate this video, if it helped you, bratans, I would appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, bratans. It really helped it to grow this channel in this bear market. I want to give you even more tutorials which you want to see. Just write me down below. The link to TradingView and to Bybit is down below, bratans, and to other exchanges. I kiss you and see you later.